Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start the maintenance of your Dyson V11, gather the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a soft brush, a microfiber cloth, and a can of compressed air. Make sure to unplug your vacuum for safety. First, remove the dustbin by pressing the release button. Empty the dustbin into a trash can and rinse it with water. Ensure it's completely dry before reattaching it. If you find that your dustbin has stubborn debris, a soft brush can help dislodge it. Next, we'll focus on the filter. Remove the filter located at the back of the vacuum. It's crucial to wash the filter every month to maintain optimal suction. Rinse it under cold water until the water runs clear, then let it air dry for 24 hours. Remember, never put the filter in a dryer or expose it to direct sunlight. If you don't have the time to do this yourself, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can save you time and ensure your vacuum is properly maintained. Now let's check the brush bar. Flip your Dyson V11 over and use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws holding the brush bar cover. Take a soft brush to clean the bristles and remove any tangled hair or debris. If the brush bar is worn out, consider replacing it. We provide a quote before repair to help you budget effectively. After cleaning the brush bar, check the vacuum's hose for blockages. Detach the hose from the main body and inspect it for any clogs. Use compressed air to blow out any dirt trapped inside. This step is crucial for maintaining suction power. If you prefer not to deal with this, remember, we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to keep your vacuum in perfect working order. Next, let's clean the exterior of your Dyson V11. Use a microfiber cloth to wipe down the body and the dustbin. Avoid using any harsh chemicals to prevent damage to the finish. A simple damp cloth will suffice for regular cleaning. Finally, check the battery life and charging dock. Make sure your vacuum is charged fully before use. If you've noticed a decline in battery performance, it may be time for a replacement. Our team is here to assist with any battery issues, and as always, no calls, no travel, we handle everything seamlessly for you. By following these steps, you will ensure that your Dyson V11 operates at peak performance. Regular maintenance not only extends the life of your vacuum but also enhances its efficiency. Should you encounter any difficulties or simply prefer a professional touch, don't hesitate to reach out for our services. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.